That is, when the man did not make profit, the man did not make profit at when the function 20x 100 is 0. That is, when P of x is equals to 0, the man is at the break-even point. No profit, no loss. Then 20x minus 200 is equals to 0. 20x minus 200 equals to 0. 20x equals to 200. Then x equals to what? 10. If you divide both sides by 20 here, what does this mean? That when the man sell 10 pieces of onions, then at this point, P of 10 will be 20 into 10 minus 200. This is 200 minus 200, which is 0. When the man sell 10 pieces of onions, the man will not make any profit. What happens if the man sell less than 10? What happens if the man sell more than 10 pieces of onions? So when the man sell 10 pieces of onion, no lose, no lose, no gain. What happens when the man sell less than 10 pieces of onions? What happens when the man sell more than 10 pieces of onions? So if the man sell less than 10, either he sell 9 or he sell 8, but he sell less than 10. If the man sell more than 10, maybe the man sell 11 pieces of onion, the man sell 12, 13, more than 10. So you check what will happen to the profit of the man. The profit function is 20x minus 200. P of 9 when the man sell less than 10 pieces. Anywhere you see x, substitute it with 9. This is 20 times 9 is 180 minus 200. This is going to be minus 20. So when the man P of 8 is going to be minus 40. When the man sell more than 10 pieces, the man sell 11 onions. P of 11 will be 20 multiplied by 11 minus 200. 220 minus 200, this is 20, which is what? Bigger than 0. So when the man sell 11 pieces of onion, he will make a profit of 20 naira. If the money he's using is in naira. If the man sell 10, he don't gain, he did not lose. When the man sell less than 10, the man will lose money. In mathematics, when the man sell 10, exactly 10, no lose, no gain. When the man sell less than 10, the P of x was less than 0. When the man sell bigger than 10, the P of x, the profit function is what? Bigger than 0. In mathematics, the limit as x approaches 10 of this function, the function P of x equals to 20x minus 200. What happens when x is getting close? When x, this is the real line. Assuming here is 0, assuming here is 10. To the right here is 11. To the right is more than 10. While to the left is negative. So if the man at the right of 10, the man will started making profit. But at the left of 10, the man will lose. So the limit as x is approaching, when x is getting close to what? This point 10, what happened? The limit as x approaches 10 to function, which is at this side. If it is equals to the limit as x approaches 10 to the positive side, that is when x is getting close getting close, but it has not reached the point of 10, but is getting close to the function. What happened? So, x equals to 9.99999. X is less than 10. X equals to 8. X can be equals to 7 less than 10 at the left of what? Of 10. X, the limit as x is 10 positive, meaning when x is what? At the right. X can be 10.0009. X can be 10.9999. X can be 11. X can be 12. X is bigger than 10, meaning the what? At this side. So what happened to the profit function? When P of 8, it was minus 40, which is negative. What happened to P of 9? Minus 20. What happened to P of when x is getting close? When x is getting close, very close to 10, which is 9.99999. 9.999. This is 20 multiplied by 9.999 minus 200. This will 199.98 minus 200. This is going to be minus 0.02. Minus 0.02 is very close to 0. We say the limit as x approaches 10 negative to the profit function is going to be 20 into 10 minus 200. This is 200 minus 200, which is 0. Because the x getting close to 10, approaching it by the left is what we call left hand limit. The value is getting close to 0, so the limit is 0. What happened to the limit as x is getting close to 10 to the right of the function? When x is equals to 11, P of x is equals to 20. When x equals to 12, P of x is equal to 40. What happened when x is getting very close to 10? That is, when x is 10.0009. What happened to P of x? P of x will 10.009 minus 200. 20 multiplied by 10.009. This is 200.18. 200.18 minus 200. 0.18. As x is getting close to 10 by the right, the profit function will be tarnished to 0. That is, the limit as x approaches 10 to the right of the function is also 0. So when the limit as x approaches the function to the left is the same thing as the value as x approaches to the function by the right is the same thing, then we say the function P of x